Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Linda with LGQUEEN Home Decor. This is my pantry in its current state, and it's in need of a deep clean and restock. It's been quite some time since I last showed this space, and inside here I'm running low or empty in different areas. In today's video, I'll be decluttering, organizing, and restocking all of the sections of this space with foods and other snacks. You will see all the different organization and storage solutions I will use. I hope it'll help you gather inspiration and ideas to recreate your very own efficient and organized pantry. Thank you to 3i for being today's sponsor. Now let's get started. As I have been cleaning everything out from all of the shelves to restock this pantry, I'll also be giving my floors a good deep clean. I will be placing down organization baskets here on the ground to maximize this space. For those out there who are the ones who take care of their homes and do all of the cleaning, it's fair to say it's like having a full-time job. From my experience in being a mom, I'm always looking for ways to become more efficient, add convenience, and save time when it comes to household tasks. Today's sponsor is 3i, and if you didn't know, they're the most premium smart appliance brand you can find. When it comes to cleaning my floors, I've been using the P10 Ultra Robot Vacuum to help me with my cleaning routines. The P10 Ultra is truly here to make all of your lives more convenient and free up time through its amazing automated floor cleaning capabilities. Let me show you all exactly what this can do. Inside this tank to the right is where I fill up with clean water. Now, you heard me mention the name of this being the P10 Ultra, and with its Ultra Reach capability, you can see the mop here towards the back extend outward. The dual always damp mops spin at 220 RPMs, leaving no gaps and cleans edges thoroughly all around my home. Not only does this mop the floor, but the pressure that the mop pads apply downward scrubs stubborn stains to remove them. I've tested this out with some of the most nastiest of spills, and with just a few passes it cleans all of it up, leaving the floors cleaned and shining. When it comes to vacuuming, the suction power of this is 18,000 PA, which is 2 times more powerful compared to other similar competition. It doesn't scatter or shoot debris, it also vacuums everything up with just a few passes. When working on carpet, it has smart carpet detection, which boosts suction to ensure a thorough vacuum is achieved. Now, after cleaning has occurred, the P10 Ultra will go to the base station to dock for charging and cleaning. This all-in-one automated station has a ton of different features to make owning this robot a lot easier and maintenance-free. It cleans the mop pads with hot water and dries them with hot air. This keeps the mop pads clean but also prevents odors and bacteria by making sure they're properly dried. Next, it also has auto empty for dirty water and debris and has auto detergent dispensing. Here's where the dirty water is stored in this tank to the left. There's no need to change or empty out debris all the time, as it offers dust collection for up to 70 days. Right here at the bottom, there's even a self-cleaning bottom washboard to ensure the robot is clean underneath. As I was showing earlier how the P10 Ultra was detecting where to go, it's able to do so through its navigational capabilities. It uses a LiDAR sensor, a dual 3D structure light, and AI camera to map your home out. With its navigation capabilities, it's able to avoid tiny cables, the tightest spaces, and even resist collisions. At night, it can operate as if it was daytime with its built-in light and can navigate with ease and complete cleaning chores. With the AI-powered dirt scan feature, over 100 households household objects and messes are identified and will customize the cleaning method based on what's detected. You don't have to program what you need it to do, it just knows what it needs to do with this feature. With smart route planning, the P10 Ultra quickly learns your home for the best cleaning route. Inside the app, you can even set no-go zones and further personalize with scheduled cleaning to what days and times you would like to have. With most vacuums, hair tangling and other debris can be a problem in the spinning blades, but there's no worries on this due to the P10 Ultra's anti-tangle brush and hidden tangle cut blade that prevents hair from getting stuck and tangled. These are just some of the key features that the P10 Ultra offers and how it's helping me become more efficient with my cleaning routines or days I just want to take it a little easier on myself. If you would like to experience the same or learn more about the P10 Ultra as I've shown today for yourself or for someone else, I'll leave everyone the link to access in my description box below. I highly recommend and know you or someone will enjoy having one of these for years to come. Thank you 3i for providing the most innovative and helpful cleaning appliances for everyone. Now let's finish organizing this pantry. I want to thank everyone for tuning in today's video. From all of the different storage solutions and organization systems I showed for today's restock, it really allows to fit more things in my pantry and for everything to be functional. I'd love to hear what you most enjoyed or what tips you may have when organizing. Don't forget to visit my description box for items shown today as well to learn more about the 3IP10 Ultra I showed earlier. If you enjoyed today's video, I recently helped a homeowner who needed my services of organizing her entire kitchen. Her reaction was something special to see and was one of my most favorite projects I've recently done. You can check this transformation out by clicking on the video to the right displayed on the screen. Thank you everyone for stopping by today. I can't wait to see you all on my next video. Until then, have a blessed day and take care.